Hello everyone. Today we will be exploring how to create a one-time product in Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced. Here are the steps to create a one-time product. First, create the product. Second, associate the one-time selling model. Third, add a price book entry. Finally, sync Salesforce pricing. Here are the product details. Product name laptop. Product code LPGB. Product family hardware. Product model one time and price $1,000. Let's jump into the system. You need to go to the Product Catalog Management homepage. Then select the product's link. Click on New and select the type as Commercial. Enter the product name, product code. Make it active. Select product family. Give availability date as current date. Ignore the product type as we are not creating bundle product and save it. Go to the Related tab. To associate a product selling model to the product, click on New. Select the product selling model as one time, then save. Go back to the product. To associate a price book to the product, click Add Standard Price. Enter a list price as 1,000. Select a product selling model as one time and save. This completes the setup for a one-time product. Now let's associate this product to the catalog. Let's go to the Catalog tab. Select the appropriate catalog. Select the category. Then go to Related tab and click Assign Products button under the Products Related list. Select the product you have created. Click Next and save. Finally, we need to sync the pricing information for this product. Let's go to the setup and search for Salesforce Pricing Setup. Click the Sync button under the Sync Pricing Data section. This would make the product available to be selected on the quote. It usually takes a couple of minutes for the sync to be completed. Now, let's go to the quote and add this product. Click the Browse Catalogs button. Select the desired catalog. And choose the product. This will add the product to the quote. The price for a one-time product is calculated as quantity into net unit price. Here, the quantity is 1 and the net unit price is 1,000. So the net total price is 1,000. Now, let's change the quantity to 5 and enable the instant pricing. Then, the net total price is 5 multiplied by 1,000, which equals to 5,000. This is how you can create a one-time product in Salesforce RCA. Thanks for watching.